Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can edit text in Photopea. So before starting, you will ensure that the text layer exists and it is not rasterized. So yeah, first make a layer for your, of course, for your text, and then you will select the type tool, which is right here, and then you will click directly on the text that you would want to edit, and then you will change the words, the font, or the size in the top bar, which is right here. So you can just pick uh whatever font that you prefer, whatever size that you prefer, and so on. And then you will just have to press Control and then Enter so that you will be able to commit to that certain text. So yeah, after that you will just have to, and by the way, if the text layer was converted to shapes, you can't edit that text, so you will undo conversion or retype on a new layer. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.